Web3 represents a fundamental paradigm shift in how we interact with digital platforms and services. This revolutionary approach moves us from traditional centralized systems to decentralized networks powered by blockchain technology. To understand Web3's impact, we must first examine the difference between centralized and decentralized systems. Traditional Web2 platforms concentrate power and data control in the hands of a few large corporations. In contrast, Web3 utilizes decentralized networks where power and control are distributed among all participants. No single entity controls the entire system, creating a more democratic and transparent environment. Blockchain technology serves as the foundation of Web3, providing a distributed ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. This creates an immutable and transparent record that no single party can manipulate. This technological shift fundamentally transforms customer experience. Web3 empowers users with unprecedented control over their personal data, digital identities, and online interactions, moving away from the traditional model where companies own and monetize user data. Web3 operates on three fundamental principles that reshape customer relationships. First, decentralization distributes power across the network. Second, transparency ensures all transactions and processes are verifiable. Third, user empowerment gives individuals control over their digital lives. These principles foster unprecedented levels of trust and transparency in customer relationships. When users have verifiable proof of transactions and complete control over their data, businesses can build more authentic and meaningful connections with their customers. As we move forward in this Web3 revolution, understanding these foundational concepts becomes crucial for businesses seeking to create exceptional customer experiences in this new decentralized landscape. Web3 fundamentally transforms customer experience through five core concepts that redefine how businesses and users interact in the digital landscape. Decentralization represents the foundational principle of Web3, distributing power and control across a network rather than concentrating it in a single entity or authority. This distributed architecture eliminates single points of failure and control, empowering users while reducing dependency on centralized authorities. Blockchain technology serves as the immutable ledger that records all transactions transparently and securely across the distributed network. Each transaction is cryptographically secured and linked to previous transactions, creating an unalterable chain of records that ensures data integrity and builds trust. User empowerment fundamentally shifts control from corporations to individuals, granting users ownership of their personal data and digital identities. This paradigm enables users to control how their information is used, shared, and monetized, creating more equitable digital relationships. Smart contracts are self-executing programs that automatically enforce agreements and processes without requiring intermediaries or manual intervention. These programmable contracts ensure transparency, reduce transaction costs, and eliminate the need for trusted third parties in business processes. Interoperability enables seamless communication and integration between different blockchain networks, platforms, and traditional systems. This connectivity allows users to move assets, data, and identities freely between platforms, creating a more cohesive and user-friendly Web3 experience. These five core concepts work together to create a new paradigm for customer experience, where users have greater control, transparency, and seamless interactions across the Web3 ecosystem. Web3 technology promises revolutionary changes to customer experience, but significant challenges currently hinder its widespread adoption. Understanding these obstacles is essential for organizations seeking to implement Web3 solutions effectively. The first major challenge stems from decentralization itself. While Web2 systems operate through centralized control structures, Web3's distributed architecture introduces significant complexity in managing user interactions and resolving customer issues. Current Web3 interfaces present significant usability challenges. Complex user flows, limited accessibility of decentralized applications, and security concerns create barriers that prevent mainstream adoption. These issues collectively contribute to a fragmented and often frustrating user experience. Security represents a critical challenge in Web3 customer experience. Transactions are irreversible by design, meaning user errors can result in permanent financial losses. Additionally, the prevalence of scams and fraudulent activities creates an environment of uncertainty that deters potential users from engaging with Web3 platforms. Market volatility presents another significant obstacle to consistent customer experience. Fluctuating transaction fees can make Web3 interactions unpredictable and costly. Users may initiate transactions expecting certain costs, only to face dramatically different fees due to network congestion or market conditions. These challenges collectively represent significant barriers to Web3 adoption. Organizations must address decentralization complexity, improve user interface design, enhance security measures, and develop solutions for market volatility to create compelling customer experiences that drive mainstream acceptance. The Web3 landscape is rapidly evolving, driven by several key trends that are fundamentally transforming customer experience. These emerging developments are addressing current limitations while opening new possibilities for user engagement and interaction. The first major trend is AI-driven personalization. Web3 platforms are leveraging artificial intelligence to analyze user behavior patterns and provide highly tailored recommendations, creating more intuitive and engaging user experiences. Community-driven platforms represent another significant trend. Decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, are enabling platforms to incorporate direct user feedback and evolve based on community needs, creating truly democratic digital experiences. Enhanced security measures are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Improved wallet recovery options, multi-signature authentication, and advanced encryption methods are being developed to protect user assets and build trust in Web3 platforms. Interoperability advancements are breaking down silos between different blockchain networks and financial services. This increased integration is enabling seamless cross-platform experiences and enhancing customer centricity across the Web3 ecosystem. Finally, utility NFTs are evolving far beyond digital art collectibles. These functional assets are now serving as membership tokens, certificates, event tickets, and digital identity verification, fundamentally changing how companies leverage blockchain technology for customer engagement. These emerging trends collectively represent a paradigm shift in Web3 customer experience. By combining artificial intelligence, community governance, enhanced security, seamless interoperability, and functional digital assets, Web3 platforms are creating more user-centric, secure, and engaging experiences that address the current limitations of decentralized technologies. Leading organizations across various industries are implementing innovative Web3 strategies to transform their customer experience. These real-world applications demonstrate the practical benefits and diverse possibilities of decentralized technologies. Coinbase Earn represents a pioneering approach to cryptocurrency education through gamified learning. Users receive cryptocurrency rewards for completing educational modules about different digital assets, creating an engaging learning experience while building their crypto portfolio. Nike's Swoosh platform revolutionizes fashion and digital ownership by enabling users to design, create, and share virtual apparel. This Web3 platform combines creativity with blockchain technology, allowing users to own and trade their digital fashion creations as NFTs. Starbucks Odyssey extends the traditional rewards program into the Web3 space through collectible NFT stamps. Customers earn unique digital stamps for various activities, creating deeper engagement while maintaining the familiar reward structure that customers already know and love. BMW has integrated Web3 technology into its customer loyalty program by tokenizing loyalty points on the blockchain. This approach provides customers with true ownership of their rewards while enabling new possibilities for point trading and enhanced program transparency. Trivala demonstrates how Web3 can enhance traditional services by combining blockchain technology with travel booking. Their decentralized marketplace offers transparent pricing, cryptocurrency payment options, and tokenized rewards, creating a more efficient and user-controlled travel experience. These diverse implementations showcase Web3's versatility in enhancing customer experience across industries. From education and fashion to loyalty programs and travel, organizations are discovering innovative ways to leverage blockchain technology to create more engaging, transparent, and user controlled experiences. Digital wallets serve as the primary gateway to the Web3 ecosystem, fundamentally transforming how users interact with decentralized applications and manage their digital assets. Modern digital wallets provide users with unprecedented control over their digital assets, private keys, and personal data, representing a fundamental shift from traditional centralized systems. Self-sovereign identity represents a paradigm shift where individuals have complete control over their personal data and digital identities, eliminating the need for centralized authorities to manage identity verification. The decentralized identity verification process utilizes blockchain technology to create a secure, transparent system where identity claims are issued, stored, and verified without relying on centralized databases. Digital wallets integrate seamlessly with identity management systems, allowing users to authenticate themselves across multiple platforms while maintaining privacy and security through cryptographic protocols. The Web3 ecosystem architecture demonstrates how digital wallets and identity systems operate within a comprehensive framework of decentralized applications, consensus mechanisms, and interoperability layers. As digital identity solutions continue to evolve, they will enable more sophisticated user experiences, enhanced security protocols, and greater interoperability between different Web3 platforms and services. Digital wallets and identity systems represent the foundation upon which the future of Web3 customer experience will be built, enabling secure, user-controlled, and seamless interactions across the decentralized web.